Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we are going to look on how to use Gemini AI in Gmail. Before we start this tutorial, make sure you have access to Gemini Advanced, as this feature can be only used on Gemini Advanced. So the first thing you need to do is open the email you want and click here on this option. You will get a chat box once you click on it. And here you can see there are suggestive prompts that we can use. For example, I don't have a lot of time to read this email, so I'll just use this prompt, which will help me summarize this email in short. Click on it and hit enter. As we can see, I got a summarized version of this email. There are other prompts that you can use too, or you can even write your own customized prompt telling the AI to do any specific thing you want to get done. That's basically how you can use Gemini AI with Google Gmail. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.